Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making another easy breakfast recipe. This is copycat of Dunkin Donut egg and cheese wrap. Let's get started. The ingredient that you would need: any type of tortilla wrap, any type of cheese that you like, eggs, oil, and salt and pepper. Okay guys, let's get started. So guys, you heat up your pan and then you put one tablespoon of oil and then add your 4 eggs to the frying pan. Mix all the way through and just add salt and pepper to your taste. Just added 1 tablespoon of cheese on there. Now I'm just gonna wrap them up and add them back to the frying. Get all the cheese. You can actually fit both of them in there. So I'm gonna put the other one back in there too. And my husband likes it a little bit crispy, so I'm just gonna get them a little bit crispy on both sides. I left the wraps in the frying pan for 2 minutes and flipped on both sides for 1 minute each, and you'll get a wrap looking like this. Like and share. Thank you and have a good day.